Hello everyone, it's Madhvi and you are watching Mady'snutridelish with Mama's Touch. Today's recipe is Jackfruit Mini Donut or Kathal Er Bora. Unlike palm fritters or tal er bora, jackfruit donuts are easy to make but they have quite similar taste and flavor. For this recipe, I have taken 9 to 10 juicy jackfruit bulbs. Now with the help of a strainer, I will take out juice out of the jackfruit bulbs. Once you try this recipe, trust me, you are going to make it again and again. Firstly, remove all the seeds out of the jackfruit bulb. Jackfruits are a good source of healthy calories, rich in calcium and iron, and thus prevents anemia and loss of calcium in our body. Once its seeds are removed, take the jackfruit bulbs simply by pressing and squeezing. You can collect the juice out of a strainer. And remove the solid residual part. It is about 1 cup or 200 ml of jackfruit pulp or jackfruit juice. Now let's prepare jackfruit donuts. Add in a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I simply enjoy jackfruit juice when served with puffed rice. And then add in honey. It's about 3 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it nicely. And then I am adding in 1/4 cup or 50 grams of semolina for that perfect crispiness. Give it a good mix. Semolina or suji not only gives crispiness but also makes the donuts more tastier. To make soft and fluffy donuts, it is very important to add baking powder, but in a very less amount. I have added 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Do not use baking powder in excess amount, otherwise the donuts would crack into the oil while frying and everything turns messy. Lastly, adding in wheat flour or atta. It is about 200 grams or 1 cup of atta. So for 200 grams of atta, try to use 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it nicely so that there should not be any lumps. Now cover and allow it to rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour of resting time, the dough has turned much more thicker and it is the perfect consistency what we need. Now take a heavy bottom pan or a karhai. I prefer to shallow fry the donuts, so I would use 2 tablespoons of oil. The dough must have a thicker consistency like this. Now carefully place the jackfruit donuts into the hot oil. The oil shouldn't be too hot or too cold. As I always take in healthier options, I won't fry in excess oil. Frying into the same oil again and again deteriorates its quality, and finally you need to discard it. As I have used less oil for frying, you need to carefully flip the donuts so that its shape do not get bad. But trust me, you need not to compromise with taste. Try to fry the donuts on medium to low flame so that it gets completely cooked from inside. Once it turns golden brown, it is ready, and take it out of the karai. And you can see it looks so delicious and even it tastes out of the world. Similarly, let's fry the other batch of donuts. Carefully place the donuts. Once it is done, do not flip it instantly so that the donuts have perfectly round shape. It takes about 7 to 8 minutes to fry each batch of donuts. Once it turns golden, my soft and fluffy jackfruit mini donuts are ready to serve. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. See you in the next episode with another recipe. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.